Now what we're going to do is we'll convert this square piece to round so that it makes it more amenable to a project. And what I'm going to demonstrate now is different ways to accomplish this using some standard and some not so standard tools. The idea here is to stimulate your imagination, showing you that there are no locked-in methods. There are lots of ways to accomplish the end. So what we'll do is we'll turn this on. I'll show you how I have been able to accomplish this. So let's go, all right? First of all, there's nothing wrong with this tool. It isn't in the normal armamentarium of wood turning, but it does work well for converting this square piece to a round piece. And if you're uncomfortable using such as this, we can change to a smaller version with a hatchet, for instance. And it accomplishes the same purpose. It will, we're removing the wood. Notice we're going down from thick to thin or down grain. Okay? And if you don't have an axe or a hatchet at home, you may have at the farm, you may have the old fencing tool. This also will work the same way by removing the wood down grain, thick to thin, and it's nice and smooth. Okay? Most of us have these in the garden. It also will work. A very credible job. So use a little bigger axe, hatchet. Now you notice we've got this down to fairly smooth. We can make spindles or something out of it. And to help us get our spindles going, we can use a normal garden rake type tool. Get the star there, and if we're going to make some spindles, we have another very common tool here. It's called a railroad spike. And it serves its purpose. Also, in using this, you notice that it does demonstrate one of the next things I'll talk about. And that's that there are a lot of motions involved in turning, and you realize that the presentation of the tool to the wood can be straight on, which will be scraping. It can rotate to the right or to the left, or your hands can go this way to the right or to the left. So you have many opportunities in how this tool is presented, which makes them also versatile. Even a gasket tool will work. As you can see, with the use of the non-conventional tools, we can accomplish it. Now I'll show you using a more conventional, this is a conventional gouge. It's the same concept. We go from right to left, up and down, and rotating. So we have a lot of presentations of this tool to accomplish this purpose. Always keep in mind, the goal is to go downhill or down thick to thin, like that. And in doing that, we ride the bevel and rotate the cutting edge into the wood. So we're going to the other side. We're going to go down grain, rotate the cutting edge into the wood, And we have a very credible start for spindles.